Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and firmware so you avoid compatibility surprises. Plug in via USB or enable Bluetooth. If using a dongle, insert it now. Install the official drivers or let Windows fetch them automatically, because drivers provide required mappings and rumble support. Once done, open Device Manager to confirm the controller appears under Human Interface Devices or Xbox Peripherals. Make sure batteries are charged and any required vendor app is installed before proceeding to map. Now you map controls and calibrate inputs so gameplay feels consistent. Open Steam Big Picture or the manufacturer app, create a profile, and remap buttons to your preferred layout. This ensures games without native support still respond correctly. Next, use the Windows Setup USB Game Controllers dialog to calibrate sticks and triggers. This fixes drift and corrects center values. Make sure to test dead zones and sensitivity, adjusting percentages so small thumb movements don't register incorrectly. Finish by creating or loading per-game profiles so your settings apply automatically. Save copies to the cloud if available, because that prevents data loss. Test haptics, gyroscope, and macros inside a target game to verify behavior under real conditions, and make small adjustment iterations until it feels right. If things go wrong, first update firmware and drivers, then try a different USB port, a fresh Bluetooth pairing, or resetting the controller. These steps resolve most connection and mapping issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.